Ever wondered how cloud storage works and how you can leverage it for your projects? Well, today we're opening the door to the world of Azure Storage, a scalable and durable service from Microsoft that allows you to store and retrieve large amounts of data from anywhere in the world. Azure Storage is a powerful tool that offers 4 services: Blob Storage, file shares, queues, and tables. Each one has its unique benefits, but today the spotlight is on Blob Storage, a service designed for storing large amounts of unstructured data, such as text or binary data. To get started with Azure Storage, the first step is to create a storage account. This is your unique namespace in Azure that provides a base for storing all your data. Navigate to the Azure portal, click on Create a Resource, and then select Storage Account. Enter your project details, including the name, resource group, and location. Remember, the storage account name must be unique across Azure. Once your details are in, you're ready to review and create your storage account. Azure will run a final validation and then you can click on Create. Just give it a few minutes and your storage account will be ready. Now let's focus on Blob Storage. It's time to create a container, which is like a folder for storing blobs. Navigate to your storage account, click on Blob Service, and then select Containers. Click on E+ Container and give it a name. Set the public access level according to your needs and click OK. Within this container you can upload blobs, which are essentially pieces of data. Click on Upload and select your file. The progress bar will show you the upload status, and once it's done, voila, your blob is in the cloud. But what about security, management, and cost control? Azure Storage has you covered. With features like access keys, shared access signatures, and Azure Active Directory, you can control who has access to your data. Management is a breeze with features like Azure Storage Explorer, and you can keep costs low with lifecycle management policies. To sum up, Azure Storage is a versatile cloud storage solution with a range of services. Today we delved into Blob Storage, creating a storage account and uploading a blob. We also touched on security, management, and cost control features. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to get hands-on experience with Azure Storage. It's a valuable skill to have, especially in the tech world. And who knows, the more you explore, the more you might discover. So, are you ready to take the plunge into cloud storage with Azure? The sky's the limit.